Hi everyone and welcome to Calm Creations Crafttube Flosstube. My name is Tia. Today I am doing a little bit of work on my snail that I'm doing with Corrine and Susanna. And it is from the book Crafting Tilda's Friends, and this is the little snail that we're all making. So I am up to the body of my little snail. So let me show you this part. It's all finished and stuffed. I've just gone with a plain fabric on the back, and that's her body finished. So she will sit there when the body's finished. So what I've stitched around the shape of the body, so I can now cut it out and turn it and stuff it. So what I'm going to do is I'll pause the video here, I will do that, and I will be right back. Okie dokie, I'm back and I have finished my little snail. Her body's probably a little bit far back from her head, but that's okay. I think she is just absolutely adorable. So I need to do some little blush on her cheeks, but she is all done. Isn't she just so sweet? And I think I'm going to name her Calico. So that is it from me today. I hope you enjoyed this little series, and I am going to go and find Calico a new home. I think I've got in my bedroom a small sort of cane wickery basket that I may put her in, and then she will become useful, and I'll be able to use her all the time. So thank you very much for joining me. I hope you enjoyed that, and I will see you all again soon. Thanks, bye.